What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and reviewing the Logitech MX Keys Mini Wireless Keyboard. Let's get into it. Alright, let's cut this open. Alright, so in the box, we've got the keyboard itself. Ooh, that feels light. Feels nice. Okay, and then we got some accessories in this box. That's about it. Like the keyboard, the packaging is very minimalistic. Alright, let's unwrap this. Pretty simple, nothing to cut. Alright, here's the keyboard. Dang, this feels nice, like, ooh, got a little card. Alright, so in this box, we've got a USB-C cable and some of this stuff. Alright guys, so to recycle this, you're gonna pry the back off and then you peel the lithium battery off. So that's if you're like gonna throw this away, that's how you recycle it. Alright guys, so to connect this, all you gotta do is flip the switch. Now it's on. So you can see right here, it is detecting it. So you can go to your settings and set up everything. It's pretty self-explanatory, but since this popped up, I might just click yes. Boom. And now it should be connected, I think. Oh wait, no, I didn't click on it in time. Come back. Okay, yeah, since I wasn't quick enough, I have to go to settings and click add Bluetooth or other device, and then you're gonna hit Bluetooth, and then you're gonna see MX Keys Mini pop up. Click on it. It's connecting. Enter this key on the thing. Okay, just type that in. Wait, what the frick? Oh, there you go. Okay, it's ready to go. Click done. Yes, sir. You can start typing now. Let's go. So this keyboard is backlit, so it looks very nice. So if it's really dark, lights up and type stuff, you know. It's super cool, honestly. And I think you can go on the website if you want to set up any like special keys. Not sure how that works, honestly. There's a lot of features. You can control the brightness of the backlit. So now it's off. Now it is on. It's so beautiful, like, and it's so minimalistic, and it has like the little divots, so you can type really nice. So honestly, overall, the experience typing on this feels really nice. I've like pretty much ran into zero issues. The connection with the Bluetooth, super dope as well. Just overall, such a perfect like keyboard. If you have like a monitor or any device and you're not really a gamer, totally recommend it. It's way nice of a keyboard. The feeling, the texture is nice and soft, and it doesn't feel like it's low quality at all. You can type really fast on it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and setup video of this keyboard. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.